In the midst of existence, we find ourselves immersed in a world adorned with enigmatic uncertainties, formidable obstacles that stand ready to rattle the very foundation of our confidence. From every corner, external forces and societal expectations conspire to divert us from our chosen path, while the opinions of others attempt to sway the course we navigate. Yet, in this labyrinth of influences, we discover a profound truth: our self-trust emerges as the bedrock upon which our decision-making and actions are shaped. The journey of trusting in oneself unfolds as an introspective expedition, a courageous expedition that beckons us to plumb the depths of our own being and explore the vast realm of our capabilities. This transformative odyssey requires unwavering courage, self-reflection, and an unshakable determination to challenge the limits we have imposed on ourselves. Genuine power resides not in the control or dominion over others, but rather, it resides deep within ourselves. To trust in oneself requires embracing the innate power and latent potential that slumbers within us. It calls upon us to tirelessly strive for personal growth and self-overcoming, unveiling the resilient spirit that dwells within our core. By embarking on this inward quest, we ignite a flame that illuminates the path towards self-realization and unearths the boundless reservoir of strength that empowers us to transcend our perceived limitations. As we embark in a journey of self-confidence, we embolden ourselves to defy the clamor of doubt and skepticism. We kindle a fire of introspection that sheds light upon our true nature, casting aside the shadows of uncertainty. In this pursuit, we discover that our potential is not a distant dream, but a palpable reality waiting to be harnessed. For it is in the embrace of self-trust that we find the courage to become the architects of our own destiny and the heroes of our own narratives. Imagine a vessel gracefully sailing through treacherous waters, its sails billowing in the face of fierce storms, surrounded by an air of uncertainty. On this vessel, the captain stands as a beacon of unwavering trust, relying on his own unique blend of skills, intuition, and knowledge to guide the ship safely toward the destination port. Just as the captain's unwavering trust steers the ship through tumultuous adversity, so must we, in the grand journey of life, foster an unyielding faith in our own inner compass. Our existence becomes the vessel, and our trust in ourselves, the captain at the helm. In the vast expanse of the ocean of life, it contains unknown depths and unpredictable currents. In these uncharted waters, we find solace in our confidence, harnessing our innate ability to navigate the challenges and uncertainties that invariably present themselves. Like a master mariner, we embrace vulnerability and dare to venture into the unknown, where true growth awaits. The inevitability of mistakes and failures can be seen as our integral companions on this magnificent journey of self-discovery. Just as a tightrope walker takes the first step on a thin wire suspended dangerously above the ground, we too must rely on our own balance, focus, and skill with each step. In this breathtaking metaphor, we grasp the profound essence of self-trust. It is the embodiment of our unwavering belief in our own abilities, the audacity to embrace vulnerability, and the courage to face the unknown. Through each courageous step we take, we inch closer to our own unique destiny, transcending the boundaries that once hindered our progress. In a world of boundless possibilities, the audacious know that the specter of failure looms on the horizon. Yet, undeterred, they press forward, their confidence unwavering, for they believe in the depths of their own abilities. Trusting in oneself requires embracing the inherent risks woven into the fabric of life, daring to take calculated leaps of faith. Even if we stumble along the way, we bear within us the resilient strength to rise once more. Amidst the clamor of external influences, trusting in oneself demands an unwavering commitment to listen to the whisper of our inner voice. It is akin to a lone wolf, venturing through a vast and untamed wilderness. The wolf, guided by its instincts and intuition, not only survives but thrives in its unforgiving habitat. Similarly, when we place our trust in ourselves, we tap into the wellspring of intuition and inner wisdom that resides within. We allow it to illuminate our path, offering guidance and insight as we make choices and take action. With each step, we learn to discern the echoes that resonate with our true selves, remaining steadfast to our values amidst the dissonance of societal pressures and conflicting opinions. While there exist luminous minds and enlightened souls in this vast world, ready to inspire us on our individual paths, their wisdom serves as a beacon rather than a crutch. They offer valuable insights, shedding light on the road ahead. However, it is our responsibility to navigate our own transformative journey. No one else can rescue us from the depths of our own journey. There are processes that we must undertake on our own, experiences that are uniquely crafted for us to live. While accompanying and finding inspiration in the journeys of others can be enriching, we must remember that the path we choose is ours alone. No one can live our lives for us or shield us from the challenges and growth inherent in our personal odysseys. It is through our own relentless efforts, introspection, and choices that we evolve and draw closer to the essence of our being. We have embarked upon this earthly voyage to explore, to immerse ourselves in the fullness of experience. Our souls yearn for the exhilaration of traversing our unique paths, unearthing the profound truths that reside within and embracing the wondrous joys that accompany our individual rides. Our purpose here is to evolve, to expand our consciousness, and to wholeheartedly embrace our own growth. This sacred endeavor cannot be undertaken by another on our behalf, for it is a personal journey that we alone must embark upon. Amidst the noise of voices, there are those who proclaim to possess the ultimate truths, presenting them as irrefutable and unquestionable. They may tempt you to relinquish your autonomy, urging you to blindly follow in their footsteps. But always remember, their truth is theirs alone. Their teachings may offer inspiration, a flicker of wisdom to guide your own journey, but they do not define the absolute truth that governs your existence. Challenge their proclamations, dissect their theories, and scrutinize their claims against the backdrop of your own lived experiences. To trust in yourself is to embark upon a demanding quest. It is an unwavering commitment to inquire relentlessly and to fearlessly doubt. It is the act of sifting through the vast expanse of knowledge, discerning what resonates with the very depths of your being. The truth you seek is not found in the voices of others but within the sacred chambers of your own soul. While others may share their perspectives and truths, remember that their truth is theirs alone, shaped by their unique experiences and their understanding of the world. It is through questioning that we shatter the illusions that bind us. Let doubt become your ally, propelling you to seek deeper, unraveling the layers of perception that veil reality. In your relentless pursuit of truth, you may encounter obstacles, setbacks, and moments of despair. Yet, always remember that the reward lies not solely in reaching the destination but in the very act of seeking. Within the uncertainties lies the potential to embark on a transformative journey towards self-realization. They serve as fertile soil in which our personal truths take root and flourish. Approach life with an unwavering spirit of inquiry, ceaselessly exploring the vast avenues of knowledge, and delving ever deeper into the realms of understanding. It is through this relentless quest for wisdom that true transformation is achieved. Reclaim your identity, your vision, and your intuition, and act upon them without hesitation or remorse. Embrace the uniqueness of your individual path, for it is through honoring our own desires, talents, and aspirations that we carve out an authentic existence. We are not meant to conform or mimic others, but rather to cultivate our own extraordinary lives. As we explore our own truths, we tap into the limitless reservoir of potential that resides within us, and we discover fulfillment in living a life that resonates with the depths of our being. Just as a muscle grows stronger with consistent exercise, our intuition flourishes with regular practice. By creating space for quiet reflection, meditation, and stillness, we invite the whispers of our intuition to rise to the surface. It is in these precious moments of inner silence that we attune ourselves to the subtle cues and gentle nudges that guide us along our unique path. Through practice, we become increasingly attuned to the signals our intuition sends us. We learn to discern its delicate whispers amidst the noise of external opinions and societal expectations. Through trial and error, we refine our ability to distinguish the voice of our intuition from the clamor of fear or doubt. In the depths of our being, our intuition beckons, a powerful force that grows stronger with each moment we listen and trust its whispers. It becomes an unwavering compass, guiding us towards choices and actions that align with our authentic selves. While it may not always offer us clear-cut answers, it gifts us with a profound sense of inner knowing and a deep connection to our truth. In a world where authority is often upheld as the ultimate truth and where institutions seek to exert control and manipulation, it becomes vital to embrace our authenticity and trust in ourselves. Let us not fall prey to the deceptive shell games played by those who claim to possess exclusive knowledge. Authenticity and self-trust serve as the antidotes to this illusory game. Amidst the tumultuous waves of history, where the true nature of reality eludes even the most astute observers, we are left with mere fragments and best guesses, often veiled in falsehoods. Knowledge, forever elusive and uncertain, constantly shifts, while truth remains a provisional concept. Placing blind faith in others to lead us out of ignorance and into the realm of truth is a notion steeped in folly. The enlightenment we seek resides within ourselves. It is through daring to question, to challenge the narratives presented to us, that we truly empower our own experiences and unearth the depths of our true selves. The path to enlightenment lies in trusting ourselves, in nurturing the wellspring of intuition within, and in boldly rejecting blind adherence to authority. Where uncertainty shrouds every corner, it becomes apparent that nobody truly possesses absolute knowledge. The constructs of so-called wisdom and enlightenment are nothing more than tools of manipulation devised by those who seek to maintain control. What truly holds significance is your experience in the present moment. Reject the fallacy that authority equates to wisdom or enlightenment. Instead, nurture self-reliance and trust in the depths of your own discernment. Break free from the chains of ideological confinement and the mechanisms of control that seek to bind you. Society often urges blind acceptance, coaxing us into conforming to doctrines and ideologies without question. However, Genuine independence lies in our ability to think critically and listen to the whispers of our inner guidance. Rather than accepting everything indiscriminately, we become selective, embracing only that which aligns with our values, beliefs, and aspirations. By re-establishing our connection with our inner voice and reclaiming our autonomy, we navigate through the labyrinth of societal expectations with newfound clarity and authenticity. By cultivating this sacred connection, you embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery, embracing the profound truths that define your existence. So, let us embrace the empowering truth that we hold the key to our own liberation. With every stride, we dismantle the shackles of self-doubt, illuminating the vast potential that resides within. With each chapter, we author our own narrative, weaving together the threads of courage, resilience, and authenticity. And in the depths of this profound journey, we emerge as the heroes of our own stories, reclaiming our power and embracing the limitless possibilities that await us. As we continue to watch our lives unfold, let us become captivated by the enigmatic allure of self-trust. Let it ignite a flame of curiosity within us, propelling us further into the depths of introspection. For it is in this voyage of self-reflection and unwavering trust that we uncover the limitless potential that resides within our being. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your loved ones who might benefit from this message. And don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching and joining me. Take care and see you soon.